What's going on, guys? Now, foam rolling, as we all know, is super beneficial for a number of reasons. And because of this, there's a lot of people who do it and a lot of mistakes that are made. But there's one mistake that's more common than the rest. And today, I'm going to tell you what it is and how to fix it. Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and like I said, today I'm talking about foam rolling and the biggest, most common mistake that I see made when people foam roll. Now, before I get into the mistake and the fix to the mistake that's going to help you in so many different ways, if you're not yet a part of the VShred fam here on YouTube, make sure you take 2 seconds right now to scroll down and smash that subscribe button and to turn the notifications on to join the notification squad. Before I get into the foam rolling mistake, for those of you who are watching and maybe you don't really take foam rolling that seriously, let me explain exactly what foam rolling does for your body real quick, because it's almost like you're taking this clock and you're just turning it forward with how quickly and how much better you can recover from workouts. It's amazing. First off, foam rollers are cheap. You can get them for less than $10 off Amazon. I checked. And then when you have one, you can basically give yourself a deep tissue massage whenever you want, wherever you want. Foam rollers have also been shown to not only help with muscle soreness and cutting down the time of recovery, but also improving flexibility, increasing the range of motion in all the different areas of your body, and improving your performance in and out of the gym. Now, if you don't know what you should be doing in and out of the gym to reach your fitness goals, you need to start with my body type quiz rather than this video, because foam rolling is amazing. But you need to take care of your diet and your training and match it to your goals, and that's what our quiz does for free. And you can check it out by clicking the link down in the description below. But back to foam rolling, it's so good. Sometimes people refer to foam rolling as self-myofascial release. And if you've never heard of myofascial release, let's just say it's awesome. It's a safe and very effective way to eliminate pain and restore motion to your body by applying pressure to the tough connective tissue that surrounds muscle. This is what you call fascia. Because over time, as you contract muscles, this tissue around the muscle tightens and restricts motion or pulls the body out of alignment or causes pain, and it inhibits blood flow to the affected structures in the body. And as you could guess, the longer you let this go, the worse it gets. So tight muscles, bad. Foam rolling, good. But the biggest mistake I see when it comes to foam rolling, and there's a lot, but the biggest is going too fast. Foam rolling fast is a complete waste of time. And if you're guilty, hopefully what I'm about to say will help you take your time with it. And if you're not guilty, I know you've probably at least seen people doing it in your gym. People grabbing a foam roller before or after a workout, getting on a mat, and just sliding back and forth on it. Back and forth, not taking their time, not listening to their body, just basically going through the motions and getting their foam roll session done. And this is just holding them back from the totality of benefits that you could be receiving. Fascia, like I said, is the connective tissue that surrounds your muscle. But what I didn't mention is how it's a thick, fibrous web of tissue that cannot be released when you're foam rolling over it so quickly. I mean, sure, going quickly may feel better because it's not going to hurt as much and it may help with blood flow. But releasing fascia, which is arguably the main benefit of foam rolling, it takes time. You have to be very slow and very deliberate with your movements. You have to start at the origin of the muscle and slowly roll to the insertion of the muscle to release that fascia the most effectively. And how I said people don't listen to their bodies, when you're doing this, you'll likely find a spot that you hit that's more sensitive than the rest. And when you do find that sensitive area, you need to focus on going back and forth slowly over that spot. And once you really adapt to this proper way of foam rolling, you'll likely find yourself progressing faster like you expected to happen when you first started foam rolling. So if you're looking to relieve some muscle soreness and increase your circulation and help with the range of motion in your body, grab a foam roller, take about 15 minutes to really do it right, go slow and controlled, find the sensitive areas, and you'll thank yourself later. So hopefully this video helped you. If it did, let me know by liking it. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.